So what is evolution? Evolution is changes in genetic composition which convert simple organism into complex organism. So due to changing in genetic composition, simple organism to complex organism formation is evolution. So mainly these changes in genetic composition leads to this evolution. This evolution may be beneficial, may be neutral, or may be lethal. That depends upon the factors that leads the evolution. If the factors are favorable, then the evolution is beneficial. If the factors are not favorable or not harmful, then that is neutral. If the factors are harmful, then the evolution will be called lethal. If we see about the modern horse evolution, we can see that Hypotherium is the old ancestor of the modern horse, and the modern horse is Equus. These modern horses are evolved from Hypotherium. These Hypotherium exist in Earth 60 million years ago. Due to some changing in environment, genetic composition change in case of Hypotherium, which is transferred from generation to generation, and after several millions years, from Hypotherium Mesohippus are formed, and similarly from Mesohippus to Merychippus, Merychippus to Pliohippus, and Pliohippus to Equus or modern horse are formed due to change in genetic composition. In case of human, that also same. Scientists believe that modern human are evolved from ape-like creature. Something genetic changes occur in these ape. For this, generation to generation, these genetic characteristics are transferred, and as a result, after several million years, these modern humans are formed. So humans are evolved from ape-like creatures, and these modern or Equus are evolved from Hypotherium. Why they evolved? Because changes in genetic composition leads to this formation, this simple life or simple structure or simple organism to complex organism formation. So what are the factors, what are the reasons that these genetic changes which occur? These factors are mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, natural selection. That leads to the evolution. So mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, natural selection, these are the factors which changes in genetic composition, and after several million years leads to this evolution. So factors of the evolution are mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, and natural selection, etc. In next video we will discuss about how life is originated. There are many theories about this origin of life. There are theory of special creation, theory of panspermia, theory of spontaneous generation, biogenesis theory, chemical evolution, or modern theory. We will discuss about it later.